All right, guys, what's going on? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to clean the flame sensor on your furnace. There's different models out there, but basically it's the same procedure most of the time. Just like a bolt or something holding the flame sensor. And the reason why I'm cleaning my flame sensor is because the furnace, it comes on for about 15 seconds and it keeps shutting off. And I'm just gonna start with the simplest thing, the flame sensor. You also got something that'll make it do it too, the pressure switch. But I changed that like a while back, so I'm pretty sure it's not that. Like I said, it could be, but I'm gonna start with the simplest thing. It's the flame sensor, and then I'm gonna fire it up and see if the furnace is staying on. All right, now down here is the flame sensor. Is a rod. I already unplugged it. It's a rod that goes. It's right here. Just clip the plugs in here, and on the other end is a rod that go through that hole up there where the flame at. So when the flame comes on, it senses that the flame is on. Because if that thing don't sense that the flame is on, it'll do what it's doing now and keep shutting off. So I believe that's a 1/4 inch nut. So I'm gonna get a 1/4 inch and take that off. All right. Probably need to do this with 2 hands. See if I can hold this and do it at the same time. Yeah, there we go. Be careful with this because it's real sensitive, and most of the time it's curved, it's hooked. So just take this out, and be careful because it's easy to break. You don't want to crack that porcelain part on there. See that? Let me see. Can you see that? See that? And it's basically carbon. I don't know if you can see that real good. It's carbon buildup on there. You just want to. I'm using 500 grit sandpaper. You don't really want to use any rough sandpaper, so try to use like a soft sandpaper, a Brillo pad, or a Scotch Brite pad, or something of that nature. So I'm gonna take this off. I got a piece of 500 grit sandpaper. It's real smooth sandpaper, and you just want to sand this rod down basically until you get all that carbon deposit out there till it's like shiny and polished. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. I'm gonna polish it up. That's what she said. And then I'm gonna put it back in there and then fire it up and see what we got. So let me turn this off for a second and I'll get back to you guys in a second. All right. All right, guys, I just pulled up my pan. She got me nice and polished up. I mean, I'm done sanding this down, nice and polished up. As you can see, shiny. So we're gonna stick this back through the hole. I hope it's moist enough so she don't start hollering. All right. Try to get that back in there like it was. And of course, this the hole line up the same way to the rustling. And then we're gonna stick that nut back through there. So let me put that back through there, tighten it up and plug it up, and then we'll fire it up and see what's going on, because we don't want this to be a long video. It's a short, simple video. So let me tighten this back up, plug it up, and make sure that rod is sticking back through there, up there. So, all right. All right, guys. It's back in the hole. Plug back up, nice and clean. All right, put the bottom door back on to press the switch in, or you can just hold it in. I just put the door back on because I got to put it back together anyway. So hit the switch on your furnace, and let's see if it stay on. Okay, now right after it flame up right now, it'll usually shut off in about 5 or 10 seconds. See, it's still going, so that's a good sign. All right, but we just gonna keep it on to turn on to make sure everything's straight. Still flaming up, all the flames nice. And guys, you can buy that piece too, but sometimes they just go bad. It's a sensitive part. Like most of these women out here, some of these guys, you know, just real sensitive. But yeah, if it have like any dirt, carbon buildup, you know, it'll go out. So see, now it's turning on. And there we go, guys. A simple fix to your furnace. Clean that flame sensor. And that's it. Alright guys, catch you on the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.